Welcome to the Month in Review briefing. This briefing will highlight the weather of April 2013, as well as the temperature and precipitation outlooks for the month of May 2013. This graphic is from the High Plains Regional Climate Center and shows the departure from normal temperatures for the month of April 2013. The time period for the normals is 1981 to 2010. A value of 0 would mean that the location reported a normal average temperature. Most of northeast Oregon and extreme southeast Washington reported near to below normal temperatures, while portions of central Oregon and central Washington reported near to slightly above normal temperatures for the month. The next graphic is also from the High Plains Regional Climate Center. This shows the percent of normal precipitation for the Northwest for the month of April 2013. A value of 100% means that the location reported their average monthly total precipitation. Much of central Oregon and portions of northeast Oregon and southeast Washington reported well below normal precipitation totals. Locations in the Blue Mountains and in the Simcoe Highlands and Cascade Mountains reported near to above normal precipitation totals for the month. A dry northwest flow, following a series of weather disturbances, set up over the Pacific Northwest during the middle of the month. Clear skies and light winds, the night of April 22nd, led to good radiational cooling. Many weather stations broke record low temperatures the morning of April 23rd. Arlington, Oregon reported a record low temperature of 30 degrees, tying the previous record set in 2011. Hermiston, Oregon reported a record low temperature of 24 degrees, breaking the previous record of 25 degrees set in 2011. John Day, Oregon reported a record low temperature of 19 degrees, breaking the previous record of 20 degrees set in 1960. La Grande, Oregon reported a record low temperature of 25 degrees, tying the previous record set in 1992. Long Creek, Oregon reported a record low temperature of 18 degrees, tying the previous record set in 2008. Meacham, Oregon reported a record low temperature of 20 degrees, breaking the previous record of 21 degrees set in 2011. Monument, Oregon reported a record low temperature of 19 degrees, breaking the previous record of 24 degrees set in 1992. Morrow, Oregon reported a record low temperature of 25 degrees, breaking the previous record of 26 degrees set in 2011. The Pendleton Airport in Oregon reported a record low temperature of 26 degrees, breaking the previous record of 30 degrees set in 2011. The city of Pendleton, Oregon reported a record low temperature of 26 degrees, breaking the previous record of 29 degrees set in 2011. The Pendleton Experiment Station in Oregon reported a record low temperature of 23 degrees, breaking the previous record of 27 degrees set in 2006. Redmond, Oregon reported a record low temperature of 18 degrees, breaking the previous record of 20 degrees set in 1961. The Dalles, Oregon reported a record low temperature of 28 degrees, breaking the previous record of 30 degrees set in 1972. And Goldendale, Washington reported a record low temperature of 22 degrees, breaking the previous record of 24 degrees set in 1920. A strong low-pressure system moved through the Pacific Northwest on April 7th, bringing precipitation and very windy conditions. Several locations reported wind gusts above 40 miles per hour during the mid-morning hours on the 7th. Weather stations 8 miles west-southwest of Echo, Oregon, and the Pendleton Airport reported a wind gust to 41 miles per hour. A weather station 13 miles west-southwest of Micola, Oregon, reported a wind gust to 42 miles per hour. A weather station 5 miles west-southwest of Shanneco, Oregon, reported a wind gust to 45 miles per hour. Weather stations 8 miles west-southwest of Grass Valley, Oregon, and the Dalles Airport reported a wind gust to 59 miles per hour. And a weather station 4 miles northwest of West Richland, Washington, reported a wind gust to 75 miles per hour. And now, we will turn our attention to the forecast for May 2013. This graphic is issued by the Climate Prediction Center, or CPC, and is the temperature outlook for the month of May. The cool colors indicate a greater chance of below normal temperatures, and the warm colors represent a greater chance of above normal temperatures. The time period for the normals runs from 1981 to 2010. The Pacific Northwest is forecast to have a greater chance of above normal temperatures. This graphic is CPC's precipitation outlook for the month of May. The green colors represent a greater chance of above normal precipitation, and the brown colors represent a greater chance of below normal precipitation. The Pacific Northwest is forecast to have a greater chance of below normal precipitation. Please keep in mind that these are probabilities of averages, and that the day-to-day weather will still vary for the month of May. This concludes our briefing. Please continue to visit National Weather Service web pages for the latest weather information, including watches, warnings, and advisories. Thank you for your time.